creativity is shining this summer as young artists from across the Beaufort County School District are taking part in the Sea Island School for the Arts Summer Camp. Students are exploring their passions through hands-on experiences in both visual and performing arts at 2 locations. Here at River Ridge Academy, students are perfecting their performance skills as they make music, sing, act, and dance.
Dance class can make you feel so much better. It can relax your body, and when the music moves, you can make your body go any place you want to, just to feel free.
I've always wanted to be on Broadway when I grow up, and I did it last year, and it was amazing. It's a very creative way to express yourself, and doing it just kind of helps you function, and your brain keeps moving, and it's a non-stop. It's really, really fun.
Students are also building 3D cardboard models, experimenting with watercolors, and painting on canvases.
We learned that there's different types of brush strokes, and brush strokes can create patterns and different techniques.
We're learning the different tones of colors and how the textures and the colors you put can affect the painting.
At Robert Small's Leadership Academy, students are rocking out, learning how to play instruments, and are stepping into the spotlight as they develop their theater skills.
I hope that I learn more improv and how I can add emotions to my acting to make it seem more like I'm in the character.
Students are also exploring a wide range of artistic styles and techniques.
We're making explosion books, and we were marbleizing the covers of them, and we took some shaving cream and some dye and took a stick to make a pattern on it, and then we dipped our papers and pulled them out. It made really cool designs.
We're doing metal tooling, and what I like about it, we could make a design, and you could turn on the back and see what you do, and then we could put color on it.
This camp is a great way for students to express themselves artistically and let their talents shine.
I think it's really good that we have this camp so we can learn and express ourselves and show everything we know, and we are able to learn and make friends.
So we can learn about different kinds of art and what's good about it and how exciting it is.
Because it helps us expand our art, and it helps us learn how to be better artists.
About 200 students in 3rd through 11th grade who are identified as gifted in the arts are taking part in the camp. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.
Outstanding, man. That was great.